Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We have tragic news from Hollywood. Stuntman Taraja Ramsess, who appeared in numerous Marvel films, has died in an accident together with his 3 children. Taraja Ramsess was a respected stuntman whose work is known on the sets of monumental films such as Avengers, Endgame, and Black Panther. The martial artist perished in a car accident on the 31st of October 2023. He was only 41 years old. Ramsess was traveling with his children, 13-year-old Sundari, 10-year-old Chisasi, and 2-month-old Fujibo when the accident occurred. All of these lost their lives. The terrible tragedy happened on Halloween evening in DeKalb County in the U.S. state of Georgia, as reported by WSB-TV. Ramsess' car crashed into a lorry that had broken down in the left-hand lane. Taraja and his daughters were pronounced dead at the scene. His 10-year-old son Chisasi was initially in a critical condition, but later succumbed to injuries. Taraja's mama, Akili Ramsess, confirmed the terrible news a short time later on her Instagram channel and revealed that 2 more of her grandchildren had survived the accident with minor injuries, including 3-year-old Shasia. The grieving mother and grandmother also posted several pictures of her son and grandchildren from happy times. The family has also set up a GoFundMe page to help cover the costs of the funeral. It reads, Akili Ramsess, a dear friend and colleague, lost her eldest son, the beautiful and talented Taraja, and 3 of her grandchildren in a terrible road accident on 31st October. We don't know what she needs now, but we know it's a lot. Anyone who knows Akili knows that her greatest joy is her 3 boys and 10 grandchildren. Her love and devotion to her family knows no bounds. Akili Ramsess took to social media to say goodbye and dedicated heartbreaking words to her beloved son. Our sincere condolences to the family and friends during this difficult time. May their souls rest in eternal peace. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. See you in the next video.